Hello student, here we discuss about which factors governs dehydration of alcohol. 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohol. We have to identify 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree carbon first and OH linked to it, and then only it will be much easier for us to understand dehydration of alcohol and the rate of dehydration of alcohol. I am Meena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. God bless you. All the best. Here I told you that we have to see 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. What do you mean by 1 degree alcohol? So the OH group which is linked with the carbon, that carbon, if it is linked with only one carbon, see after this carbon there is only one carbon. So this is called 1 degree carbon. 1 degree carbon and OH group attached to this 1 degree carbon or primary carbon, we call it 1 degree alcohol or primary alcohol. Clear to you? Now we'll go for the second one. This OH group is linked to this carbon. This carbon is linked with this carbon as well as this carbon. So how many carbons it is linked? 2 carbons. So this carbon is 2 degree carbon because it is linked with 2 degree carbon. One this carbon and second this carbon. So 2 carbon it is with 2 carbon it is linked. So this carbon is called 2 degree carbon. So we call it 2 degree carbon. Okay, and OH group is linked with this carbon, 2 degree carbon. That is why we call it secondary carbon, and alcohol is called 2 degree alcohol or secondary alcohol. Clear? Now we'll go for 3 degree alcohol. This is 3 degree carbon. Why I am calling this 3 degree carbon? Because OH is linked with the 3 degree carbon. The carbon which is attached with this carbon and this carbon. Okay, I am writing this carbon means it is CH3, here CH3 and here CH3. How many CH3 groups are around this carbon? 3. So, and OH is linked with this carbon. So, this is 3 degree carbon, OH is linked with this. So, this is called 3 degree carbon or 3 degree alcoholic group, tertiary alcohol. Okay, this is tertiary alcohol. Now, I will give you few examples. This, write this. Here this OH group is linked with this carbon. Okay, how many carbons are it is linked with? Only one. So this is 1 degree carbon. Okay, other two there are 2 CH2. So only it is linked with one carbon. So it is 1 degree carbon. Now we will go for this. Here also we will see that here this is C. Okay, I am writing here C means there are 2 hydrogens. Hydrogen I am writing because this and this is methyl group or any this is methyl group. Okay, so this carbon is attached with only one carbon, so it is 1 degree alcohol. This OH, here this is linked with 2 other carbons, so it is 2 degree carbon. This carbon is linked with 1, 2 and 3, so it is 3 degree or tertiary alcohol, 3 degree alcohol. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. This is CH3,